Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to play Spotify through your microphone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step is of course to set up Spotify through the desktop app on your computer. After doing so, you have to check if you have a compatible audio device, that being your microphone. The next step is to go into Google and search for Voicemeeter. This is the software we'll be using to play Spotify through our microphones. After you go to the website, scroll down until you see Voicemeeter Virtual Audio Mix or Download, and click the orange Download or Installer button. After doing so, make sure to enable local files on the desktop Spotify app and add the songs which you want to listen to through your microphone on the desktop app. After downloading and setting up Voicemeeter, all you have to do is go to the app volume and device options on Windows and set it up as an output device. Go into your recording devices and make sure Voicemeeter is selected. So you will be able to hear Spotify through your mic. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.